Hi guys, welcome back to Katie Fashion Design. As you know, in this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful shirt dress. As you can see here, it's very lovely and gorgeous. So it can zip up, as you can see. It's easy to wear, you know, and you can zip it all the way up and pull it down. As you can see this here, you can actually take the zip off. Look at this beautiful outfit guys, very beautiful. So you can wear it like this, like a jacket. As you can see me spinning around in this beautiful shirt dress guys, looking lovely. You can wear it two outfits with your pants and your inner part blouse and leave it like this, like a jacket. So yeah, this is what it will be looking like. Very beautiful and gorgeous guys. So guys, if this is something that you are interested in, like to learn how to go about making this beautiful gorgeous dress, as you can see, and it also have a split. I have two pockets on it guys, and a snatch back with the waist elasticated there. I do a ruching at the back panel of this beautiful dress. So remember, give me a thumbs up guys, share it and like it, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bells for more up-to-date videos. So no further delay, let's dive right into the cutting and sewing of this beautiful dress. So now guys, I have this beautiful African print. I have 3 years of this beautiful African print. As you can see, I'm going to make use of this. I'm going to be using this shirring elastic in my shirt dress. Further down, I will demonstrate it how to be going about this, but you're going to go ahead to insert your bobbin like this and wrap it right around gently. Do not draw it taut, okay? So now guys, as you can see here, it's very beautiful. You can use a 1 inch or a ½ inch elastic, depends on you, but for me, I'll be using my shirring elastic. I have my tape measurement here, as you can see, and also my scissors, my chalk, and also my interfacing. And I'm going to be using this zipper. This is a sliding off zipper. I'm going to be making use of it instead of the button, okay guys? So please remember, share, like and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your notification bell for more up-to-date videos like this. Let's dive into the cutting and sewing of this beautiful shirt dress. Now guys, as you can see, I fold my fabric into two this way. So this is wrong side, okay? The length of my dress from here to, so this I have is 46 inches, so 45 inches is the length, and I had 1 extra inches to that give me 46 inches in length of my dress. So the first step that I go ahead to do is to rule a straight line for my shoulder line, okay? The next thing, I'm going to take my vertical measurements, okay? So from my shoulder line coming down to my bust point is 11.5 inches, and from my shoulder to waist I mark 16 inches, and from my shoulder to the hip depth is 24 inches, like this, as it's plus 45 inches is the length, plus 1 inch, which is 46 inches is the length. So now after marking all these points, I'm going to go ahead to draw the lines. I'm going to rule all the lines across. Now for my shoulder line, so for my shoulder line, my shoulder measurement is 17 divided by 2. That will give me 8.5 inches, and I'm going to go ahead to mark it on my shoulder line this way. Go ahead to mark it this way, 8.5 this way, as you can see me doing. And the next step, I'm going to go ahead to mark my neck width. So for my neck width is 3 inches, like this, and for the back neck, which is the back part I'm doing now, you can come 1.5 inches or 1 inches. So for me, I'll be marking 1 inches, and then just go in with your curve like this, okay? After marking it this way, I'm going to go ahead to step down from my shoulder slope 1 inches, like this, connect it this way. The next thing to do, I'm going to go ahead and to get the chest, my chest line, you're going to divide your bust circumferences divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. That will give me 8.5 inches right here. So go ahead to mark yours. So now for the chest line, just line it up back with my 8.5 to get a straight line. like this and connect these points together this way. Then just go out and draw a straight line like this. After doing that, the next step to do for my bust circumference is divided by 4. That will give me 12.5 inches because I had 2 extra inches to that. So 42 divided by 4, that will give me 10.5 inches, and I had 1 inch to ease and 1 inch for stitching allowance, so that will give me 12.5 inches on my bust line. So once I have this, guys, the next thing to do is to find my midpoint, which is right here. Let's go ahead and mark my midpoint like this. After marking it, just go in with a French curve and connect to the bust point here. Just go in like this and connect it this way. Next thing to do is to take my waistline. For my waist measurement is 10 inches, and I'm going to add 2 extra inches to that. That will give me 12 inches. To divide it by 4, that give me 10 plus 1 inch of ease, 1 inch of allowance, give me 12 inches. So my hip line, my hip circumference is divided by 4, that will give me 11 inches plus 2 extra inches, that's 13 inches for it to mark it. So the next step, so now guys, I'm just going to go ahead and connect these points together. Just go in like this. And from here, like this, I'm just going to connect it all the way down here to the end of this tip of this point here for my guys. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out, as you can see here at this particular point. So this is what it be looking like, the shape. So this is how it be looking like. So let's go ahead to cut out the front. This is my front panel, guys. So it folded into 2 this way, as you can see. So on this folded edge here, I'm just going to mark 2.5 inches. You can put your buttons hole here, but for me, I will be using the zipper here. So I'm just working 2.5 inches. I'm going to mark it all the way down and draw a straight line. Connect these spines. So guys, as you can see, this is the front panel, and I go ahead to connect my 2.5 inches all the way down like this. 2.5 inches. I roll a straight line like this as a guide. So I'm going to place my back panel this way on it, on this. So I will be marking 3 inches for the width. For the deck, it can come down 3 inches, but for me, I'll be using 4 inches here. All right, mark 4 inches this way. All right, so, and then I'm just going to connect these points together like this for the front neckline. So remember, it's marking from the zipper here line, okay, or the buttonhole line. So now I'm going to go ahead to cut it out now.
Now I'm just gonna remove our neckline. Now I'm just gonna go in and cut it out this way, like so, for the front neckline. And this is what I have for the front neckline. Okay guys, then I'm going to just go ahead and slash it straight down like this. Notch it this way to know where my color is light. Okay, just ensure that it's light. So now I'm going to go ahead to add pockets on it this way. So I'm going to notch it up like this. For my waistline, I'll be coming down. You can come down 2 inches or 2.5 inches and notch it, okay? So just go ahead and put it there, 2 inches, and then I'm going to stop at 7 inches. So these are the points that I'll be notching for my pockets to be, okay? I'm just going to notch it up. The front and the back panel is going to have pocket on it, guys. So there I have it. So now this is how it will be looking like. Okay, so this is the front panel, and it also have the opening concept, right? So this is, so guys, for my pocket, I just go ahead to, for the width here is 7 inches wide, and the length here I have 10 inches long. All right, so you can make yours deeper as much as you possible. Okay, so this is what I have for my pocket here. So I will be attaching it at the side panel for both front and back panel. So when you're attaching your pocket, just open your fabric this way. So this is my front. You can just go ahead like this. So you're going to notch it right side facing right side this way, like this. From this notch point here, you're going to stitch it straight down to the other notch, like this, right side facing each other. And this is what you'll be having when attaching it. So you're going to do for both front and back panel the same. On the opposite side this way, you're going to do the same. On this notch here, just go ahead like this and stitch it down like this, and this is what it will be looking like. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead to join these. So for the front panel, guys, this is the rough part of the ear stay. So you can go ahead to place it like this on it and press it out on it. Okay, give it a press to give it that firm edge there. So after pressing it out, the next step to do, what you're gonna do is to fold this in. Remember, this is a front panel, guys, so you're gonna fold it in 1/2 inch and then go ahead and fold it in 1 inch this way into this crease here. Okay, and just go ahead to stitch it all the way down, and you're gonna do the opposite, the same side, 1/2 inch. Ensure that it folds up into the notched area this way and stitch it all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead off camera now, guys, and do that. So now, guys, this is what it be looking like. So I go ahead to put ear stay on it. So I'm gonna fold it 1/2 inch and fold it 1 inch over and lap it over and stitch it all the way down on both side panels. So this is the other part, guys. This is what it be looking like. Fold it in 1/2 inch, fold it again twice, and then go ahead and stitch it all the way down this way. Now, guys, I went ahead to attach my pockets. Okay, I went ahead to attach my pockets. So this is the front panel. So I went ahead to stitch it down, and this is what it be looking like. It's so beautiful, guys. So this aside, for the back panel now, guys, I'll bring in my back panel and I'm going to share it. So for me, for my shoulder, I mark 1/2 inch. You know, that is 1/2 inch you're going to be stitching. So from that 1/2 inch, I measure from that here, come down to my waistline, which is 16 inches this way, straight across this way. So this is where I'm going to be doing my shirring, right? So this is my 16 inches line. From the midpoint, I'll be marking 2.5 inches on this line, like this, and I'm gonna do my shirring from that point to the 5 inches line this way, right? So I'll be marking half an inch all the way like this, go straight like this. So half an inch on both sides like this, all the way like this. Just go in with the thread. So on these lines, guys, just for the beginners, I'm just marking these lines so you can stitch on these lines that I'm going to be doing my marking. Okay, so just go ahead like this, half an inch all the way. So I'm going to continue, go straight across this way and mark out these lines, and then I'm going to show you the next step. So now guys, notice this is on the right side facing up, so I'm going to use my shirring elastic thread to stitch straight across this way, half an inch all the way on these lines. So as you can see, I go ahead to measure it out as okay. So I have 5.5 inches this way. Okay, all right, so this is what I'm going to be shirring, and then I'm going to take it back to you. So just go ahead and stitch it, and then turn back the lift up your presser footer and go ahead and stitch it this way. Lift up your presser footer, turn it over, and go. So now guys, remember this is my elastic thread, and I just take your time gradually like this, as a thread in the casing like this, and just gradually snap it in or this way like so, and basically that's it clipped in, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place back this here. Notice that you have the regular threading in here as well. Markings half an inch, you can go in like quarter of an inch guys, and go ahead and stitch it. So this is what we're gonna go ahead to do now, as you can see. So I'm just going to share it on these lines straight across to the opposite side. Just go in like this guys, don't give it no back, so just go ahead and go ahead to stitch on that half an inch line. Can actually go ahead to do that guys. Okay, after stitching it, this is what it be looking like. The gathering up is very beautiful. I went ahead to press it out, so the elastic, this is how the shredding will be looking like. Very beautiful guys, look at this, very clean. So this is very I had to stitch my shoulder to shoulder, and this is what I have. So for the armhole, to cut up my sleeve, once I joined it, I'm just going to measure what I have right around the armhole. Okay, for my armhole I have 12 inches, and I'm going to go ahead this way, measure right around 24 inches. So half of that is 12 inches on fold. So I'm gonna go ahead now guys, as you can see, I fold my fabric here into 4 pieces. So to get my cap height, you divide your bust circumference is divided by 12 plus 0.5 inches. That will give me 4 inches for my cap height, which is this. So I go ahead to mark this line out, and remember that rounded armhole that we took. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead to mark my 12 inches this way on this line like this. Okay, so this is where my 12 inches. So I'm just going to connect a straight line like this as a guide all the way down to this 12 inches here. So I'm going to find the midpoint of that 12 inches, so that will be 6 inches. So go ahead to mark it this way, and what you're going to do is to go ahead and curve from the tip here like this, curve it on the top panel this way, and half an inch on the bottom, which is the front armhole. Just go ahead like this. So now you're gonna go ahead to place to see if you get the exact curve that you want yours to be. Just go in like this, and this is where exactly my 12 inches lie. For my bicep round, 17 inches divided by 2, that 8.5 inches plus 1 inches, that will be 9.5 inches. So for my bicep, so I'm going to connect these points together this way. Oh, for the length here is 9 inches for my sleeve length. So now guys, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. This is like an S shape, okay guys? So this is what I have. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out this way. So just go up first with like curving like this, like so. This is what I have for my sleeve. This is a short sleeve, guys. I don't have enough to make a bell sleeve, so as you can see, so as you open it up this way, so this is the front. So remember, the front is deeper, so you're gonna just go in like this, just a little bit like this, guys. Okay, for the front. So this is my sleeve. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead like this, hold it 1/2 inch and stitch it all the way down like this. Do the opposite side and go ahead and stitch it down. So I'm gonna just go ahead and line that I gave, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. Now guys, I went ahead to stitch my shoulder, as you can see, and I went ahead to cut up my sleeve. So what I'm gonna do is just draw all the way around to the pocket here. As you can see, I pin it down and I'm gonna stitch it all the way on the both opposite side, then I'm gonna take it back to show you what next. So guys, what I actually done is to open my wrong side of my dress, and I went ahead, this is my sleeve, so I went ahead and push it into the armhole like this. So my sleeve will be right side facing each other. So notice it's opposite, so I go ahead and open the seam. So this is a notch, line it up with the shoulder, and go ahead to notch up the other part this way, seam to seam, notch it up, and then I'm just going to go ahead and stitch it. You can go ahead to pin it in place and stitch it all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead to do both sleeve, and then I'm going to show you the next procedure. Guys, I place it this way. Before I attach the collar, I attach the zipper here first, and I'm stitching it down this way. So this is it. Place it this way and give it a stitched. I'm going to cut my collar, so I'm going to measure right around the circumferences of my collar. So please to ensure that you measure it correctly. All right, right around like this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my collar, guys. Okay, that's what I'm doing, and go in like this, and I have 23 inches, and I'm going to do it over and get that exact measurement. So after I measure it, I'm going to go ahead and cut out 24 inches long for my collar. So let's dive right into the cutting of the collar. So guys, basically what I have done here, I have two of this together, and this is a cut together sleeve. There's various different ways of doing the collar, but this is just a simple basic way. So my width here, as I said, the length here is 23 inches, right, for my collar. So I add 1 extra inches to that, so that is 24 inches long. So what I'm going to do now, at the height of my collar here is 4 1/4 inches. So now what I'm going to do is just going to basically measure from here to here 2.5 inches all the way down like this, and I rule a straight line. So here, this is going to be my collar stand here, and this is the collar actually. So this is a basic simple instruction. So now I'm going to go ahead to add a stay on this collar here, but before I go ahead to do that, the next thing to do, for my fabric into two this way, which is my collar. Okay, so at this above this part here, I just come in 1 inches this way and mark this 1 inches, and then I'm just going to go ahead, connect this, just make a curve like this. Okay, and go ahead to draw this straight line like that out to the corner this way, go in with my curve like this for the collar stand. So just go ahead to cut it out, guys. Okay, and this is what it will be looking like so. So this is how it will be looking like, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead to place a stay on it. So I have two colors. So now guys, this is my air stay that I go ahead and I fold 1/2 inch inwards this way for my collar, so just to give it a little sturdiness on this. Okay, and this is what it will be looking like, guys. Very beautiful, very lovely, very gorgeous. This is the colors. So now I'm gonna place it like this. Okay, right side facing each other this way. So I'm going to turn it this way, like this is a collar and this is collar stand, like you can see. see, and I'm going to place it right side facing each other, and then I'm going to go ahead like this, all right. I'm going to go ahead like this, attach it this way, and put in everything in one this way, and pin it down all the way around till it reaches to the next edge here in one this way, and I'm going to give it a nice stitch straight down like this, and then I'm going to fold it and give it a good press to give it a nice seam for the color. So guys, basically this is my final product, and this is my beautiful dress here with the zipper in front. I go ahead to attach it, so it's a zipper that you can pull off, as you can see here, and I'm just going to go ahead this way, guys, like this. So this is what it will looking like, guys. How beautiful it is. So just zip it up. So this is the zipper at the front panel, and this is a color here. It's very beautiful, guys. Look at the color. All right, guys, this is how it will be looking like, guys. Very beautiful, very lovely, as you can see, well stitched and everything, and the sleeve attached, and I have two pockets on the side panel this way, two pocket this way, and on the opposite side, guys. So guys, this is how it be looking like. If this is so helpful for you guys to sit and watch, and also for the back panel here, remember that ruched I have on the back panel for the to give it that snatched at the back panel. This is how it be looking like. It's very beautiful, very lovely, guys. So guys, if this is something that you're interested in, like to learn how to go about making this beautiful shirt dress, please to give me a thumbs up, share it and like it, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell for more up-to-date videos like these, guys. As you can see, so at the attachment here, you can see the zipper here, and this is a split in front. Very lovely and gorgeous, guys. So yeah, this is what it be looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead to try it on, and okay, guys, it's very lovely.